Today is day 9 of learning something new every single day without AI because not everything needs to be automated. Today I'm taking a look at the new MIT study on what AI does to people that use it for supplementing their writing. There's an MIT research study that was just produced that's yet to be peer-reviewed, but it was released early because it was so important in its preliminary findings that the research had to be exposed now before someone makes drastic changes to how large language models are being used in schools with kids, because the experiment was to have 54 people ages 19 to 39 have several essay prompts from SAT questions, and the 54 people were split into 3 groups: a group that could use ChatGPT during their writing, a group that could use Google search during their writing, and a group that uses nothing during their writing. And they were able to find that the people that use ChatGPT across 32 different indicators of brain activity had the lowest brain activity compared to the people that use Google and the people that use nothing. And they also found that the research showed that this is even more detrimental in young people in developing brains. So they wanted to release the study early before it was peer reviewed, because peer review can take 8 months or more, because it's so important and so indicative of how AI is making people stop using their brains, how brains are not developing when people use AI. And they were also able to find that people that wrote their essays without using any sort of support, no Google, no AI, they were able to quote their essays, talk about what they wrote about in their essays. They were more self-fulfilled with what they wrote. And the people that used ChatGPT by the end of the study were becoming more and more lazy. They would just copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT by the end of the study, and they were unable to quote any part of what they wrote, even minutes after they had submitted their response. So lots of interesting research done in this study, and definitely interested to see what peer review comes from this and the confirmation with some more data set numbers.